In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download courses on Whop. First, make sure you're logged into your Whop account in your browser. Once you're signed in, you'll want to head straight to your home dashboard. This is usually the default page you see after logging in, and it's where Whop shows your memberships, communities, and any products you have access to. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page, because it's your main hub for everything you've purchased or joined. From here, look for the Discover section. You can usually find this in the main navigation bar at the top or side of the screen. Go ahead and click on Discover. This area is where Whop highlights different communities, products, and content you can explore. It's also a good place to see new courses and groups that might be available to you, depending on what you've already joined. Now, within the community or product you're part of, there will often be course content available. This might look like a list of modules, lessons, or video trainings. Open the community or course you're interested in and navigate to the specific lesson you want to save. On the surface, it might look like normal streaming content you just watch online, and for most people, that's all they need. But if you'd like a local copy on your device for personal offline use, things work a bit differently. Whop does not usually provide a built-in download button for course videos. This is intentional, mainly to reduce unauthorized sharing and protect the creator's content. Because of that, if you want to download course videos, you generally need to rely on third-party tools that can capture streaming video. Common options include browser extensions that detect and download video streams from the page you're viewing, as well as specialized software that can handle the streaming format used by Whop. These tools work by identifying the video stream in your browser and saving it as a file on your computer, instead of just playing it back. Before you download anything, always make sure you are fully authorized to do so. Only save content you have legally purchased or have explicit permission to download, and keep those files for your own personal use. Respecting copyright and the creator's terms is important, both legally and ethically, and that's the overall process. Go to your Whop dashboard, open Discover, access the community course content, and when appropriate, use third-party tools to download the videos you're allowed to save.